Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your AI models. In today's world, we no longer need physical models to showcase your clothing brand or to showcase your fashion styles. You can now generate AI models online using AI softwares. In today's video, I'm going to take you by the hand and I'm going to show you step by step how you can advertise your clothing brand using AI models. And I'm actually going to show you how to create these AI models. And we are going to be using Canva and ChatGPT. Hi, my name is Enorita James, and in my channel, I take you by the hand and I show you how to transit from manual pattern drafting to digital pattern drafting. Today's video is all about AI and fashion. We are not talking about pattern drafting today. So if that is what interests you and you're eager to begin to showcase your fashion styles, then stay tuned and let's get started. The very first thing you need is to get an image of a model wearing something that is similar to your brand. You can get it from anywhere. You can get it from Pinterest. You can get it from YouTube. It depends on whatever it is that you want to be modeling as your brand. Now, if you want to know how to generate your clothing brand using such Pinterest pictures and Canva AI, watch my last video where I took you through step by step how you can generate your clothing brands from pictures that you get from Pinterest or that you get from um, YouTube. So I got this from Pinterest. Once you get a picture similar to what you want to model, you upload that picture on ChatGPT. Now, the particular GPT you're supposed to use to do that is what is called image to prompt generator. And how do you get this? If you open your ChatGPT, on the left side, you'll see something like GPTs right here. And under it, you see something like Explore on this left side. Once you click on Explore and you put in image to prompt generator, this will come out. This is what you're going to use. For instance, if I click on Explore, this is what comes out. And under this search, I will just put image to prompt generator. It's number one here because I already have it on my sidebar. So you'll see it. Once you put in image to prompt, you will see it. So let's go back to where we are, where we were. So once you've gotten your image and downloaded it on your computer, what you need to do is to upload it with this plus right here. You upload it as I've done so, and then you give it this prompt. Please generate a prompt for this image walking on a runway with African Americans sitting on both sides of the runway and watching. Very simple prompt because ChatGPT is actually going to give you a detailed prompt. It would give detailed prompt of what your model is going to be wearing and also give a detailed prompt of what you can use also for your model to walk on a runway showcasing your style. So once I gave it that prompt, this is the detailed prompt it gave to me. A stunning African American walking gracefully down a fashion runway wearing a vibrant, elegant Ankara inspired gown. Don't be afraid that you may be stealing somebody's style. You will discover that AI actually gives you a different style, which you're going to see. Even if you use that as a reference, it's going to give you something completely different from what you screenshots either from Google, from YouTube, or from Pinterest. So this is the full thing that it gave to me. So what I did, I copied it and I took it to Canva AI. And when I put it in Canva AI, this is what it gave to me. Can you see the difference? This is what it gave to me. Let me show you the prompt. It's the same prompt. That's the prompt. A stunning African woman walking gracefully down a fashion runway, wearing a vibrant, elegant, Ankara-inspired gown. That is what it gave to me. This. Can you see how different it is? Compare it to the original. See the original. So you can see it gives you something completely different. So what we do once you've gotten your picture, you now download which of any one that you like. Canva normally gives you 4 different images. So your own is to download any one that you want. So you come here, if you highlight on any of the images, you come here and you download it onto your computer. So once you download it in computer, we now go to the next stage. The next thing we need to do now is to get this same prompt right here. Once you're on Canva AI, if you've done a prompt before, let me just show you that quickly. And you want to reuse that prompt, you just click on this square, these 2 squares here. It brings back the prompt you used to generate any image that you've generated in Canva AI. So now, that is the prompt we use and we generated this image. As I said, download this image on your computer and then bring back that prompt right here. Now we are not creating image again, we are going to be creating a video. So just click on this X here to remove image. So it gives us back all this that you normally have when you click on Canva AI. So we come here to video clip, we click on it. And then the style in video actually is only 1619, you can't change it. This style here, please leave it so. Don't even touch it because from experience, when you touch it, it will give you something completely different. Then this in the place of audio, because we want audio, we are going to click this arrow and then we are going to click on add audio. Then lighting, leave it as it is. And then we are going to upload that picture we downloaded. The picture that was formed from this particular uh, prompt. So I'm going to look for that particular image on my computer. That's the image here. So I have it right there. So now we are ready. Once you're done, you just click here to generate the motion. So let's click the submit. So it's going to take some time. It normally takes 2 minutes. So I'll just pause the video and then we'll come back to it. It takes about 2 minutes to generate your video, the image of your model to video. Now the video is ready. Let's look at it. It takes 2 minutes, as I said. This was our prompt. And now the video is ready. So if you want to play it, so that is our video. Beautiful. Now there's something I need to show you. See, this was the first one I did, and this is what came out. Completely different because I used the prompt directly from Canva AI. Now, when you do that, this is what you get. You don't get the exact thing, that you wanted. It gives you something similar, but not the exact one. It was when I now copied the prompt from ChatGPT Direct. I copied it from ChatGPT Direct and I brought it to Canva to put it and then generate the video clip. So I needed to show you that little trick because I've done it twice and it has happened the same way. So always copy your prompt directly from ChatGPT and then put it in the Canva AI to generate the video. And then you will have exactly this, exactly what you want. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. So I believe you should be able to do several of your clothing brands, get your models, AI models to model it for your customers and all that. So that is the beauty of AI in today's world. So I hope you try your hands on it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop your questions and also your comments. Have you tried this before? Or is it something new to you? Or is it something very exciting to you? I've tried several and I discovered that Canva is quite it's straight to the point and easier to generate models, you know. For instance, even if you're on a free Canva, you can do this. It's just that you're limited to generating only 3 videos, 3 image to videos like this with audio. If you're on a free plan, if you're on a pro plan like me, you can generate 5 image to video models. So with that, I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe for more entertaining and more informative videos like this. See ya!